Welcome to the Department of Computer Science in the annual exhibition of 2023 in Southern School. So here, this model is made to make you understand that how different devices access the internet. So first of all, you can see this cloud. This cloud depicts that this is internet, and you know that internet always sends signals in the form of analog signal. Now, a computer understands only digital signal. So, to convert this analog signal into digital signal, we require a converter. This converter is the modem. Now, what is a modem? Modem stands for modulator or demodulator. Means it transfers this analog signal to digital signal and vice versa, digital signal to analog signal. A modem may either be connected to one computer without any router or may be connected to the Wi-Fi or router. Now, you can see this router is connected to a device named switch. What this switch does, it actually sends information from one particular computer to one particular and selected computer by taking their MAC address. This switch consists of a table containing all MAC address of the all connected devices containing it. Like if you want to send information from this computer to this computer, what this does, it actually transmits this signal from here to this switch. In this switch, it checks whether the MAC address is equal or not. If it is equal, then only it will send the information. So here you can see one more home office router. There you can see no switch is there because it has already inbuilt switch, and that's why it can directly be connected to these two computers. And so here you can see a business router. There is no such more difference between a business router and an office router. The major difference is a business router is used to perform heavy tasks like programming, storing, saving, etc. What this business router actually does, it transfers data in a very high speed. That is in a very high speed, or you can say bandwidth. Here, this business router is connected to the computer, as well as this business router is connected to the server computer. What is server computer? Server computer is a computer that contains a lot of memory. That is, you like say Google has a server computer, NASA has server computer. What they actually do, they store large amount of data very easily and can handle everything. And here, sir, you can see that this business router is connected to this laptop and mobile with the help of Wi-Fi. Sir, you know what does Wi-Fi stands for? If you...
Wireless phone.
Yes, sir. Wi-Fi stands for wireless utility. Wireless means it doesn't require any type of wire to connect or to transfer the message. That's why it is known as wireless utility. And so here you can also see that this laptop and this mobile is connected to a Wi-Fi with the help of this router. So this is so you can say this is how actually different devices are connected to one internet. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Vijay Saha, and I am going to demonstrate that the computer understands only binary languages, that is in the form of zeros and ones. So, take some example. Select any 4 letters. Wait. Sir, now please enter the number.
This number.
Wait, sir. Please enter. Enter.
Yeah.
Have you obtained the similar one? Have you obtained the similar one? Sir, yes or no?
Clicking green flag at first and continue.
Thanks.
If you cannot
Can you explain what is this?
This is a smart system.
with the help of Arduino. As you can see, it is an ultrasonic sensor which have been connected to the Arduino unit. Whenever a object is bring close to the ultrasonic sensor, it detects the signal and it transmits the signal to the Arduino unit. The Arduino unit further transmits signal to the servo motor, and the servo motor works anti-clockwise. So you can try.
We lost. Please subscribe our YouTube channel by scanning the QR code which we have made.
Sure.
It is also